Yo, what's up everyone? So I just discovered a very easy way to make money online. And the greatest part is you don't need any experience. You don't need a college degree or anything like that. All you really need is something like a smartphone or a laptop and an internet connection. If you got that, then you're ready to go. Let's jump into the computer. I'm gonna tell you all about it. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to take control of your life with an online business, this is the channel for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Also, please be sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online, benjisdad.com/guide. So let's jump right into the video. So we're going to first go to a website called Upwork.com. So here we are at Upwork.com. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Upwork, it's basically a place for freelancers to go and get jobs, but it's also a place for people who own businesses to turn around and look for people to hire to take care of different types of tasks. So here's the trick and what we're going to be doing. So here at the top left-hand corner, we're going to hit this drop-down box and we're going to change it from find freelancers to find jobs, all right? And we're going to type in the word proofreading. So the cool thing about what we're going to be looking at is proofreading, or more or less editing, is basically reading other people's stuff and making sure that there's no grammatical errors, making sure that there's no spelling errors. And this is a very important job to have. Just think about it from your perspective. If you were to see a newspaper or a book or a blog post or anything, and it has grammatical errors, that nothing is spelled correctly, it can really hurt the professionalism of what you're looking at. You know, it comes across as very, very unprofessional. So people are always looking for others to proofread their work. And you don't have to really have a ton of experience to do it. Maybe when you were in school, you probably proofread, your neighbor's paper every now and then, just because they needed a second set of eyes to look at it. So that's basically what we're going to be doing here. So when we put in proofreading, you see we get 234 jobs found. But what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and the cool thing is that you can get paid anywhere from, I've seen jobs that have started off at like maybe 25 or 30 bucks, and then I have seen some that are as high as $5,000 just to proofread. So this isn't anything to take lightly. You can really make some decent income with this. So the first thing that I like to do when I'm looking at this is look at these expert and intermediate, and then also entry level. Now obviously the more experience you have, the more money you will end up making. But let's go ahead and look at how simple a lot of these jobs are. So this first one here is editing and proofreading for 3 website articles. As you can see here, it says we're launching a website in the coming week. The site entails pre-published articles. We're looking for an editor and proofreader to check about 3 short articles for any grammatical and punctual errors. So you see here, they are paying just for you to go to their website and read some of their articles. So very, very easy to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump out of this one, look for some more. Here's one right here, paying $250, and it's an entry-level position. And here's another thing, it's posted 20 hours ago. So one cool thing about this is, a lot of these people are looking for jobs all the time. This was 2 hours ago. This was 2 hours ago. This was 5 hours ago, 7, 8. So people are posting jobs constantly, looking for people to do some work for them. Let's scroll down for some more and see what kind of jobs we have here. So here's one, content and copy edit my book for $250. So here I'm looking for someone with excellent English and literary skills to edit the content and copy edit my book. The book's already been through a couple of self-editing phases, but this is my final edit before the book will be published on Amazon in a few weeks. So again, another opportunity. It's a book of 22,000 words, 15 chapters, introduction and conclusion. So, depending on how fast you read, depending on how well you can edit and, critically read to make sure that there's no grammatical and proofreading errors, that you can actually, make a decent amount of income. $250 just to read a book. Again, entry level. I'm looking for freelancers with the lowest rates. So they're not even looking for experts to do this kind of job. Another one we can look at here is this book editor needed for creation book publishers. First job is a short booklet, potential for more larger projects if job is done well. Need someone who is willing to quote a fixed price on a project-to-project basis. Now, this one's paying $75. Again, looking for entry-level people. And the cool part is they are looking for someone more long-term. So the more that, if you do a good job with them and they are actually happy with the job that you have provided them, they're going to hire you for more projects. So this $75 might turn into $150 or $225. The number just keeps on going up. I know I said earlier that one job will pay you up to $5,000. That's this one right here. Administrative assistant to assist in editing my book and must be computer savvy. So I'm writing a book, need editing support and ability to use Microsoft Word to edit and help me. Fixed price, $5,000. And again, he's looking for an intermediate level, not even an expert level, yet he's willing to drop $5,000 to make sure that his book is done well. So all you would need to do is just, be a proofreader. Read after what he said. Make sure that things make grammatical sense. Make sure that there's no spelling errors. You're basically just proofreading. The job can't get any easier. I know people out here who are breaking their back. You might be one of those people. Yet you can come here and you can read a book and make $5,000. So I mean, I can't even put into words just how simple this really can be. Now, granted, $5,000, that's not necessarily typical. You're probably not going to run into a ton of these listings, but you see that the potential is there. Remember, we had over 234 job listings here. So if you were to apply for each and every one of them, if one person were to hire you, all of a sudden you're going to be making money, just from proofreading. So I would definitely look into this. This is a really great way to make some money online. Some of these are available for a certain amount of hours per week or a certain amount of hours per month. They tell you how long the projects are going to last. So here's another one for $100. Here's one for $60. Here's one for $80. 25. Here's one for $200. $65. So $150. Here's one for $750 for an editor needed for contemporary romance novels. So again, you see that the potential is there. Now the trick here is once you make this money, don't go and blow it on stuff that's not going to continue making money for you. I would use this money to invest. Try to make more money for you. If you're interested in my #1 recommendation for making money online, be sure to check the first link down in the description. That's what I use every day to really build a full-time income online. But as you can see here, there are plenty of ways in which you can make money online. You really just need to put in the work. So take advantage of these opportunities to make money online legitimately and build your own business. If you found value in this video, please be sure to smash that like button. If you have any questions or comments for me, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below. So if you want to take control of your life with an online business, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up right over there somewhere. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be right above my head there, and I will catch you all later. People are always looking for others. Also, please check out, and for people who might own websites or